Man, you on my block. So hell no. You good.
Good, Jay.
Why the cop just watching us?
Weird shit, cuz.
I just told you this is our block. This is our block, bro. You playing with fire, man.
Let that nigga drive away.
Hit me, nigga. I swear you hit me, bro. You going on the bodies, bro.
¿Y esta ganga ahora?
Officer, why are you watching us while I'm trying to have a block party? Like, what's up with you?
But what do you want?
Where the fuck you going? Get out of here.
Bro, leave.
He tased that nigga out the whip.
That motherfucker.
Pussy.